Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about how I prepare the icons that I've designed to be exported to SVG, to Figma plugin, and everywhere else. So I've just created these icon set for like different type of charts, and I've created a solid variant too. So yeah, I have these two updated icons. So first thing is I have a list of nodes that I have to update. So for solid icons, make sure all icons are flattened. Make sure to check even odd with the fill rule plugin. Make sure there is no stroke. Okay, so let's start with the solid charts. So solid chart icons. So here we have to make sure all the icons are flattened. Flattened meaning it should be a single vector like this. So if you see all the icons here is a single vector. It's flattened. You don't see any strokes. You don't see any separate um, separate fields here. It's just one icon. You can move it with a single thing. So that's the flatten to everything. So I've already done that. Now we have to make sure there's no even odd with the fill rule plugin. So this, let me open that plugin, fill rule editor. This is to check whether if we have non-zero rule or even odd rule. We need a non-zero rule because when you embed the solid filled icons like this in like a icon font or something, if it's even odd rule, it will break in some cases. So we have to always make sure everything is in non-zero rule. Looks like everything's good here. I haven't checked this yet, but let's just fly through this. Yeah, looks like it's going to be good. Good. I'm just checking for blue color. Yeah, so this is not blue color. So this is what the even odd rule is. We will just change it to non-zero rule. Probably this will also have it. Perfect. I hope there's an easy way in Figma itself to do this, but this works. So yeah, fill rule editor, that's done. Make sure there's no stroke. That's easy to check. So I've just selected everything here, and there's no stroke, of course. So that's easy. For line icons, make everything 1.5 pixel stroke. So that's the width for the line icons I have over here. So I'm just selecting everything, and it's 1.5 pixels. Every line round endpoints and circle join. So here we have to select everything, and the endpoints is of course round, and the join is circle join. Perfect. And every vector 60% corner smoothing. So this is to add corner smoothing. I'll just add 60%. Perfect. Yeah, that's done. And rename every line icon to vector. It's already vector. Every line icon name is vector, just to I don't know why I do this, just to make sure everything's the same. I don't want bunch of line 1, line 2, rectangle 1, rectangle 2 things. So I just rename everything to vector. Every vector 0 corner radius. So I'm just gonna select everything again. Corner radius is 0, of course. Perfect. 0-degree rotation. Yeah, rotation 0 degree, because when I'm designing some things, I'll rotate it, update it, and I have to make sure the rotation 0 degree, or else when exporting to SVG, it'll create some funky codes. Every vector constraint set to scale. So vector constraint is right here. So we have to set this to scale. Okay, perfect. I have to check in here also. So I'll just set this to scale. Perfect. Okay, that's done. Everything has scale. Perfect. So extra constraint set to in, and everything is background. That's a pretty much easiest thing to check. I'm just selecting everything. Everything's black, of course. Perfect. So yeah, that's how I prepare all the SVG icons. Now when you export these icons, it will be like clean SVG code. You don't have any rotation, you don't have any other colors, so it's easy to export it. Next step is push to my GitHub repository and exporting it to npm for all the React packages and adding it Figma file and Figma plugin. So yeah, that's the next step. Let me know if you want to check that also. You need a video on that. I can show you how to push it into a plugin and push all the icons into Figma file. So yeah, but that's it for this this video. Let me know if you want to see all the other things that I do with icons, and I'll make a video about them. That's it for now. Bye bye.